IM-DTX is a digital twin platform for smart factories. Developed with TI-8's patented technology and built on an on-device architecture, the platform brings together real-time data collection, 3D visualization, simulation, predictive maintenance, and process optimization, seamlessly integrated with your system. It enables real-time monitoring, both on-site and remotely. Work instructions are instantly applied to the digital twin through simple voice commands. The system also delivers an immersive experience, connecting the real and virtual worlds of manufacturing. It continuously collects and visualizes equipment data in real time. And with that data, it powers 3D simulation and machine operation. The digital twin journey begins and is completed with IM-DTX. Active-MMS collects real-time data from machine tools through an edge-based system with OT security, enabling global industrial data analysis with flexible access via mobile and web. Smart edge device for data collection, control, and analysis in manufacturing. Supports 1 to many connection and optional Active-MMS software. VPN tunneling module with security and traffic monitoring for ICS, MES. Supports RAIN platform for global remote management.